Module 7, Future Trends and Continuous Learning. Chapter 10, Exploring the Evolving Landscape of AI in Project Management. The field of AI is ever evolving, and project managers must stay attuned to emerging trends. This chapter ventures into the future directions of AI in project management, equipping professionals with insights to remain ahead in the dynamic landscape. 7.1 AI Enhanced Automation. Anticipate the integration of AI-driven automation that streamlines routine project management tasks, freeing up time for strategic decision-making. 7.2 Explainable AI. As AI becomes more ingrained in project management, the need for transparent and explainable AI systems will increase to build trust and facilitate comprehension. 7.3 AI-Powered Insights. Look forward to more sophisticated AI-generated insights that assist project managers in making informed decisions, optimizing resource allocation, and predicting risks. Chapter Y. Resources for staying updated and furthering AI knowledge. In the realm of AI, continuous learning is essential. This chapter provides project managers with a curated list of resources to expand their understanding and keep up with the rapidly evolving landscape. 7.4 Online Courses and Tutorials. Explore reputable online platforms offering AI courses and tutorials tailored for project managers. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy offer a wealth of resources. 7.5 AI Communities and Forums. Engage with AI communities, forums, and discussion groups to exchange knowledge, seek advice, and stay updated on the latest trends. 7.6 Industry Conferences and Workshops. Attend AI-focused conferences, seminars, and workshops, such as industry-specific events or global AI summits, to learn from experts and network with peers. 7.7 Research Papers and Journals. Stay informed by reading AI research papers in journals from reputable sources like Archive, IEEE, and ACM. These provide insights into cutting-edge advancements. 7.8 Practical Project Implementation. Continue learning by applying AI to your own projects. Hands-on experience is invaluable for gaining deeper insights and mastering AI integration. In the journey of AI integration, a commitment to continuous learning is paramount. By immersing yourself in the wealth of resources available, you can stay at the forefront of AI advancements and apply them effectively in your project management endeavors. Thanks for watching.